Let's read the story. Just 2 pages and the rest will be apart. There was the night before Christmas, when all through the house not a creature was a string, not even a mouse. The stockings were hung by the chimney with care, in hopes that Saint Nicholas soon be there. Ow! Sorry guys. Ow, Yana.
Huwag yung kumahiga dito sa tabi mo.
Ayoko magpapakaya, ka lang. The children were nested all snug in their beds, while visions of sugar plums danced in their heads. Last one. And the other pages, that all. How about next time? And Mama and her Kersey and I, my cat, just have settled our brains for a long winter nap. When out come the lamb, across such a clatter sprang from my head to see what was the matter. Away to the window I flew like a flash, and opened the shutters and threw up the sash. That's all. All of the other pages, how about let's do it later, okay? Bye! Watch it. This is for kids. Bye!